channel, and today we are going to talk about something different which a lot of you have asked me because I've been reading a lot of books during lockdown, and I know many of you are in a reading slump because I was also in one. So there are three things that we are going to be talking about. One is how to read more, second is how to increase your reading speed, and third is how to get out of a reading slump. Okay, so disclaimer before we begin, all of these methods are my own. I have tried and tested them, and if any of these methods help you, then great, and if they do not, then I'm so sorry, but maybe you could improvise these methods and use them, and maybe that will help you. Yeah, so this is just me sharing my methods. Because before we begin, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the bell icon so that you never miss a video of mine, which I would really like. Yep, now let's begin. Okay, so number one, how to read more. Okay, so I will tell you this much, that if you want to read more, reading is not a race. Okay, it is about you enjoying something and learning from it. It is not a race. So reading more books, or is increasing your speed does not really matter that much. But if you really want to know, what I do is just to get in the habit of reading when sometimes I don't feel like reading a book, what I do is I time myself. Like, I set an alarm for 20 minutes in my phone, and for that duration I do not touch my phone, or I do not do anything else. I just tell myself that I have to read. Okay, so once I am done reading for that 20 minutes, once the alarm goes off, I decide if I want to do some work which is pending, or if I want to check my phone, or do I want to continue reading. And if I want to continue reading, I set another alarm for the next 20 minutes, and then I read again. So this has really helped me in reading more. Even though sometimes I'm not in the mood to read, but I have nothing to do as well, so it gets really annoying. I'm just scrolling through social media, and that is not really helpful. So this is what I do to read more. Now the second method, that is to increase your reading speed, is again somewhat, these are interrelated, to read more and to increase your reading speed. So what I do is I set I make a schedule. Like, I have a to-do list, and in that to-do list I write down that I have to read, and I allot a time to everything that I have to do throughout the day. If I have to make a video, I allot a time 4 to 5 p.m. If I have to edit a video, I allotted a time. So the same way, if I have to read, I allotted a time. Like, suppose before going to bed, I give it 1 or 1.5 hours, and I stick to it. You have to be real to yourself. You cannot say that this is your reading time and use your phone. I set an alarm for that 1.5 hour. Again, I set an alarm for 3 o'clock for me to go to bed, because reading, strain my eyes is also not that great. Also, another thing I do is I try to read as soon as I have after I wake up. If I'm getting up at 10 a.m. in the morning, and then my subconscious just goes automatically to my phone, and I start again checking my social media and my messages. So instead of doing that, I tell myself, okay, no, I pick up my book, and for another 1 hour or so, or maybe half an hour or 15 minutes, just start small and then increase your duration, and I just read. So I make sure I'm reading at the start of the day and at the ending of the day. The whole day is for me to do other tasks which I have to do. And yeah, so this is what I do to increase my reading speed. So basically, if you're reading more, you are eventually increasing your reading speed. The more you read, the faster you will read, and you will be able to comprehend things better. So yeah, practice makes man perfect. So that's that. Okay, so the third and final thing which I am going to talk about is how to get out of a reading slump. So reading slump is basically a period where you are not able to read or concentrate on any book. So what I usually prefer is I go back to a book which I love. Like, suppose if that book is Harry Potter, so I start rereading books. And because I already know what is going to happen, even if my concentration breaks in the between, I won't get annoyed or irritated that I can't read, I'm in a reading slump. No, I know what is going to happen, so it's all right, I will continue reading. That is one thing I do. The other thing I do is I read my favorite genres. For me, those are historical fiction and crime thrillers. So I picked those up, and I know that I love these, so I will be able to get a hang of the story. Because if I am not in a reading slum and I'm picking up a classic, I can't. That's just again too slow, and I won't be able to read it. So, and the third thing which I would suggest is, after picking up your favorite genres or rereading a book, is to pick up thrillers, because thrillers are usually fast paced. So when you are able to flip through pages very fast, you get that sense that, okay, I'm able to read again. It's all about tricking yourself into believing it, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. So yeah, this is what I do to get out of my reading slump. These are very easy peasy methods which I use. And yeah, again, you can do the same thing of setting a timer and reading for 5-10 minutes. uh, like, suppose I have to get out of a reading slump and I'm rereading a book to get out of it, I will again set a timer for 5 or 10 minutes, so that I am able to concentrate for those 10 minutes on that book which I am rereading. So that helps. Basically, the methods I have told you are all interchangeable. You can apply them to anything you like. It's nothing strict that you have to apply this method to this or that. These are just things which I do to read more and read better. That's it. Yeah, that's all.